you how to load data from your calendar into your app. So for part one, I'm going to show you how to actually collect the calendar names into the app. So this will be a clean Flutter project build, as you can see. And before we start, we'll first need to download a few packages. So we need the calendar package. And the little arrow means that it will update to the newest one without breaking the current application. Preference will be used for the settings page, which I'll do another time. After installing device calendar, we need to also update the Android manifest folder and allow the user to read the calendar data and then write to it as well. But for now, we'll just use the read. So we want to first make a folder for the backend to load the calendar data in. We import the device calendar, and then we create two arrays, one which will store the calendars in of type calendar, and the other will store the calendar names. So first we make an object which will allow us to connect to the calendar application using the device plugin. And then we make a method which is asynchronized, which means that when the method runs, it will run in the background, retrieving the data while the app loads up. So what we first do is we try to get permission from the app. So when you load the app, it'll ask you if you want the app to use your calendar or not. And if that is allowed, you then request the data from the calendar app. And if that is allowed and granted, and they have data there, then you carry on past here, and then finally you just await, which means it won't carry on running until it has loaded and retrieved all the calendars, and it'll be stored into here. And then you want to collect the data, so all the actual names, and store that into calendar, which is of type calendar. And then you can do a little loop to get all the names of the calendar app. And then in your main, we can just, in your main widget class, which is this big one here, you'll do an initialize method, and you'll call in retrieve calendars, which is imported here. So when you initialize the app, it will run this method first, retrieve the data, and then here we can print it out to show you that it has loaded. So you can see here that they have actually loaded the data from calendar. So in the next video I'll show you how to show the calendar data in a list view. Thank you.